Sewing. Before connecting the machine to the power supply, make sure that the power is switched off. Connect the power supply cord by inserting the machine plug into the machine, and the power supply plug into the power outlet. Turn the power switch on. Set the thread tension dials to 3. Lower the presser foot lifter. Draw the threads to the back under the foot. While pulling the thread chain slightly to the back, run the machine slowly to produce a thread chain of 2 inches. Insert the fabric under the toe of the foot. Start sewing slowly. The fabric will automatically be fed. When stitching is complete, continue to run the machine slowly to produce a thread chain of about 5 inches. Cut the threads with the thread cutter, leaving about a 2-inch thread chain on the end of the fabric.